Hello everyone! In this video we're gonna go through the steps to download the ISO file of the latest insider preview build of Windows 11. Although Microsoft typically makes ISO files of the development of Windows available for download, it is not always the case. More often than not, new insider preview builds are only available through Windows Update. However, if you want to download the latest Windows 11 ISO file, for example, you can use the UUP Dump tool to download builds that are not officially available. The tool uses a script to download the image from the Microsoft Update servers and another script that runs to convert that image into an ISO file that you can then use to do an in-place upgrade or clean installation of Windows 11. Okay, so here it is how to use the UUP Dump to download the latest ISO file of Windows 11. First, you need to go to the UUPDump.net website, and then under the build section, select the insider preview build that you want to download. In this case, we're going to download the Windows 11 insider preview build 22,000.51. So we're going to click that link, and in here, select the language that you're going to be using for the installation. In this case, English United States, and then we're going to click the next button. And on this section, select the edition that you want to have in that ISO file. In this case, I'm just going to use Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro. Then we're going to click Next. In here, we're going to select the Download and Convert to ISO option. And on the conversion options, I'm just going to select the Include Updates. But you can choose any of the other options if you need to. Once you're ready, click the Create Download Package button. And then save the package on your computer. This download is not going to include any images or anything like that. It only includes the tools and the script to get the image and to convert that image into an ISO file. So now I'm just going to browse to the location where I stored that zip folder. It includes all the files. And then I'm just going to open it, and I'm going to extract it to the same location. And since these scripts are available for Linux and Mac OS and Windows, I'm going to select the UUP download windows.cmd file, and I'm going to right click it and select the Run as an Administrator option. Here we're going to click the Run Anyway option, and then we're going to click Yes to continue. And now all the components are going to download to create that ISO file. This could take a while depending on your internet connection. And here's a warning. Remember that it's never a good idea to install preview builds of Windows 11 or any other version of Windows on your primary machine. If you choose to install insider preview builds, you should do it on a virtual machine or a spare computer. It is also best to enroll the computer into the Windows Insider program and then get the updates through Windows Update. And that's pretty much it. So the process has concluded, and now we're just going to press 0 to exit the screen. And on the folder where you extracted the files, you will now see that you have a ISO file that is around 5.1, 5.2 gigabytes. And that's the ISO of Windows 11. You can double click it to mount it. And from here you can start the installation on a spare computer or on a virtual machine. Or you can use a third-party tool like Rufus that allows you to create a bootable media from an ISO file. One quick note about the UUPDump.net site is that not always you're going to find the build of Windows on this list, because this is just for the recent added builds. So if you're looking for those for Windows 11, you can click this button that will take you to the page that includes all the previews available in the dev channel of the Windows Insider program. Also, when you are creating a package for the ISO file that you want, when you are on this page, if you don't need to, uncheck the conversion option, because if you check that, that actually will take a lot more time to get the ISO built. I selected that option initially and it took a very long time to create the ISO. So if you really don't need the updates, just clear that option and then download the package. And that's it. That's how you create a ISO file of a Windows 11 Insider Preview build. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.